students, today we are going to study about integration. Integration testing is testing of several components clustered together. It is a second step of testing after the unit testing is completed. In unit testing, the code is being tested of the smallest individual unit. After this, all the units or few units are being clustered and they are put to integration testing. Here we focus on testing the design or the architecture. Integration testing is a systematic technique for constructing the software architecture while at the same time conducting tests to uncover errors associated with the interface. The objective is to take unit tested components and build a program structure that has been dictated by design. So, if I want to design or develop a camera with its software and hardware, several units with individual capacities and functionalities have been built and then they are put to unit testing. Once the errors are uncovered, then the components are clustered together and again tested for removal of inconsistencies and redundancies. There are two types of incremental testing strategies. One is the top-down approach and second one is the bottom-up approach. In top-down approach, a integrated unit is first tested with stubs. Stub is a set of programs which is being tested. After that, we move downwards, segregating it into individual units. Suppose A is a larger unit which is being integrated of individual components or modules. A is first tested using the set of stubs. After that, it is segregated into units of B, F and G. Then each of these units are tested one after the other. After A, B is being tested, then F is being tested, then G is being tested. Now, B may be also made up of several components like D and E. So after B, C is tested, stubs are replaced one at a time in depth first manner. Then D, the smallest component, and E, which are already being tested, they are being executed. This way, the top-down integration approach works. In a similar fashion, the bottom-up approach, where the units are integrated, then this unit, this component C, is being tested using driver. A driver is a set of programs with the functionality. C is replaced by the driver and being tested. After that, B is being tested, F is being tested, G is being tested. All of them are integrated together and A is being tested. This is in the case of bottom-up integration. That is all about integration testing. Thank you.